Okay, this time I'm going to buy one of the best purse, okay, which you can see on the screen here. And actually I've bought many items before on this site. And hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually buy the things online on eBay. In order to buy things online on eBay, you need to sign in, and you need to give your correct details like your shipping address and everything. So once you have chosen your product, let's say I have chosen this one, okay, actually I'm going to buy this one. So I've already bought one of the purse before, and I'm going to buy this one again. So it's not the same one, but it's quite different from the previous one. So I'm buying this purse to show you how we can actually buy the things online on eBay, and that too using our Payoneer Mastercard. So I've already made my mind that I'm going to buy this purse because this purse looks very beautiful, and we can see the details of the item here, like it says main PU leather money clip bifold wallet coin purse ID credit card holder fashion. And here we can see about condition, color, quantity, and all the details here. So it's of course free for shipping, and we can see the seller's information, 97.8% positive feedback. That's really good. And here we can see that 33 sold, and it says more than 10 available. So okay, I need to choose color here. So let me go with black. So here what it looks. So you can just move around to see the clear image, the view of the purse. Okay, so if I click here and just move around, and I can see the clear picture here. So, and if you're new here to my YouTube channel, then please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because you'll find I know you'll definitely find helpful. And also make sure to click on the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload any new contents in the future. Okay, so let's see about the price. Here it says price, that's Canadian dollars, that's 5.47, and that's approximately, $4.34, that's US. So since I have my US dollar account, uh, it it will charge me like $4.34. So you can also see here that five Canadian dollar 5.47 has been converted to US dollar, that's 4.34. So now all you need to do is just hit on this buy it now button. Okay, so okay, let me choose the color once again. Okay, black. So I'm going to buy black one here, and once you have made up your mind, just hit on buy it now. Okay, and also make sure you are ready with your card, either your credit card or debit card. So since I'm using my Payoneer Mastercard, that's a debit card, and for that I need to enter the details, okay, of my credit card. So here we have multiple options, like either we can use our credit or debit card, or PayPal credit. So it's crucial to you enter or to provide the shipping address. So you can see my address here. I've already uh, you know created this account, so and I'm living in the same address right now, so I don't need to change any shipping address. So let me choose my payment method here. So yes, and it's important to choose select the quantity you want. So since I'm going to buy one, it has shown here one, so I can buy many items as many as I want. So right now I'm going to buy just one, and you can also see delivery. You can see estimated delivery, that's March 29 to May 3rd, and of course it's free for shipping. So if you also have gift cards or coupons or eBay bucks, then you can just enter and get some discount. So we can also see here, you know, the total, the cost, and let's just enter some information about our card detail. Okay, so it's let me load once again. Okay, it's just loading. Okay, let me choose the first option. Okay, this one is very important. Okay, about our credit or debit card, our payment method. So here we need to enter our card number, and there are basically 16 digits, and you need to enter our expiration date and security code. There are 3 to 4 digits, and this means the numbers which are, you know, just back of your card. So they are basically 3 to 4 digits. So you need to enter that as well, and you need to enter your first name, your last name, and I've been saying the most important thing is about your right address. So it's very important to give accurate, your current address. So let me enter the card details here, and of course I'm not going to show my details here about my card. Okay, I've already entered my card details just above, and I'm not going to show this one because it's confidential. So once you have entered your card details, just you need to click on done. Okay, but please, before clicking on done, just make sure your shipping address is 100% correct. And once you have done that, okay, you can see here my card has been added here. And once you are done with, just the final step is to click on confirm and pay. So let me click on confirm and pay. Boom. And I'm going to get this item between March 29 to May 3rd. So you need to just keep checking. Okay, I've already got one message here which says your orders in, and will email updates to my email. Okay, you should get it by May 3rd. Order total is that's Canadian dollars 5.47, and that's like US dollars 4.37. And these are my shipping address, order number. Okay, so after some after some days, after some time, you get a shipping tracking code. So you just keep checking it, and once your item reaches to your destination, to your place, you'll be informed, you'll be called. So make sure to leave your phone number as well. Phone number or your 100% accurate, you know, your address. So in this way, you can buy the things online on eBay. And I hope you found this video useful. And once again, this is the last reminder just to make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also click on bell icon. Thank you and enjoy shopping.